The U.S. government has approved the sale of 94 RIM-116 rolling airframe missiles for the Turkish Navy. The RIM-116 is shipborne, infrared homing, surface-to-air missile used as a point defense weapon against anti-ship missiles. It flies at a speed of over Mach 2 and has an operational range of 9 kilometers. India has successfully completed the maiden flight test of its first indigenous unmanned bomber aircraft FWD-200B. The FWD-200B is a medium-altitude, long-endurance platform, armed with missiles for conducting air strikes and bombing missions. It also boasts sophisticated optical payloads to support surveillance and reconnaissance operations. Ukraine has developed an innovative balloon-carried electronic surveillance system, Aerosmith, designed to enhance its capabilities in detecting and neutralizing enemy drone operators. It can detect radio signals from enemy drone operators up to 60 kilometers away, providing precise locations of the operators. South Korean Ministry of National Defense requested a contract for the purchase of approximately 200 Polish-made Warmate loitering munitions, with the total cost estimated at about 14.6 billion Korean won. The Polish Warmate loitering munition is capable of carrying various types of warheads, including high-explosive, fragmentation, and high-explosive anti-tank types. Ukrainian company Ukrainian Armor has unveiled the Varda 2, a new 14-ton armored vehicle fitted with a 30mm turret, at the International Defense Industry Exhibition in Poland. The Varda 2 is built on a Turkish-based chassis, featuring Stanag mine and ballistic protection system, ensuring operation in varied and challenging environments.